Several improvements have been made to editing this setup in NCSimul version 2022.1. First, it is possible to create mating axis systems that allow you to define multi-part fixtures in just a few clicks. The creation of these axis systems is identical to a standard axis system, you just have to activate the option. When importing a setup from the library, NCSimul displays a positioning selection box if the active setup has at least one mating axis system. The user can select several locations to put the subassembly. With this new feature, the creation of multi-part tombstones becomes much faster. The second improvement is a new icon called Add Setup, allowing the user to directly load an existing setup on the first table of the machine. There's also an option to add the selection to the active setup. As soon as the mating system is present, NCSimul displays the position selection box. This function can also be used to create multi-part tombstones. The third improvement is the support of the CAD format 3DLive GDML. This format is provided by the Machining Cloud application. On that site, several providers for CNC machines share 3D CAD models of their equipment in this format. This format is also used by Esprit TNG software from the Hexagon Group. These files can contain axis systems that can be used as origin or mating locations to further expedite the setup creation process.